Which moment or experience of your life was the turning point in your literary career?
There were many turning points. It's like a zigzag journey through poetry. And as I first said, the Hindi Divas program was the one that turned me towards Hindi poetry. Earlier, I used to write only in English, Hindi, and then there was a magazine called Kadambini in which one of my poems came. That was Hindi, what do you call it, free verse. Uh, so that got me a lot of appreciation letters, including the one of Sushil Thapa, who I told you, he became he illustrated all my books also, most of my cover pages and this Beyond Images. And also there were some other people who wrote to me, and we continued with some of them. I continued the correspondence. Interestingly, one was a person who thought of me as a daughter, one was like a sister, and there was one jailer, I mean, one person who was in jail also who wrote to me. Like that, you get to know different people who are interested in literature.
Okay.
Then there was Adabi Trust Mushaira. There was an Adabi Trust Mushaira, Kullind Mushaira. It is a, what do you call, All India Mushaira, which took place in Hyderabad. And I was the person who represented Hyderabad. So in that program, my what do you call mentor Kamal Prasad Kamal told me, you please go and meet Ali Sardar Jafri. He was there, Ali Sardar Jafri, Nida Pasbe, Bashir Badar. So that was a very, turning point in my career also, because that gave me a confidence, and that even there was the governor was uh, presiding over it, and Siyasat had organized it. So I could get a lot of connections, or I mean, whom I could later on meet. I met all these people later on when I was in RBI, and Ali Sardar Jafri Saab was in Bombay, Nidas Fazli was in Bombay, Bashir Badar when I went to Bhopal. So it started a connection, And then Urdu Academy here gives a lot of encouragement to writers of Urdu. So it also gives book grants, it gives awards on books, it purchases books. And so, like that, I got, I think I have written about 5 or 6 Urdu books, in which four I think are ghazals and one translations one is from Malayalam and one is from Hindi. So then I got some awards for the books also, and I got a lifetime achievement award also from them, which is very, it's a turning point, like recognition. And the government of AP last Christmas, we have a Christmas program here, and they give awards to people in the different fields. So I got in literature. I mean, that is all over. So these are the things that have made me go forward. And of course, that Rekhtar was another program which was a defining, what do you call, point in my career, because that introduced me to a lot of online audience also. And my books also, some of my books and poems are of that. And I think that video is still there on Rekhtar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.